Hey, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. What's going on? What's going on? We have another day in the markets today. We're kicking off at Hump Day. It is August 28th, 2019. What do we got going on in the markets today? Actually, yesterday it was just we're seeing just insane swings across the board. Obviously, and the thing is, one tweet from Trump will either push the markets higher or just literally have markets jumping off a cliff, and that's kind of the insane situation right now, as that kind of power, that kind of talk could move billions of dollars. So just cautiously, you just got to be very cautious with your positions, and obviously respect your stops if you're on the wrong side of a significant move like that. If you're on the right side of the move, fucking ride it out, and scale out and book profits. But at the end of the day, if you're on the wrong, cut your losses and get out, because things can go much lower than expected, much higher than expected. So um, that being said, we're seeing SPY actually closed up. Um, or closed down, excuse me, closed down just north of a point. A market's just opened up in New York about a half hour ago, 40 minutes ago, and we're seeing some action after hours, a little push to the upside. Right now, markets are selling off as we speak, so we could be in for some more selling pressure on the U.S. Markets today. So that being said, be cautiously, be very cautious about your positions. Respect your stops, as we always say. So let's get into our watch list. We're kicking off with five. That being said, let's start off with Baba. Baba had, pretty much sold off with the market yesterday, as you can see. Then, fought back to the closing just north of zero. So it closed green, but still weak nonetheless. It is on a significant price level right now. Obviously, the 200 moving average on the daily, it's try to fight its support level right now. So if it can hold and go against the market, obviously, if the market sells off today, then it should be a nice push to the upside. But we are, we're just sitting back and waiting, because obviously right now, things are looking continuous as we saw yesterday. So that being said, we like Baba to the upside, but would not be surprised if we got to switch that sentiment to the downside if the market starts to sell off. So we're just going to be patient and wait across the board. All of our stocks, actually, we're going to wait a solid 30 minutes before we hop into anything, and then go from there. So if an opportunity presents itself, then we'll take it. But other than that, we're sitting on our hands till at least 10 o'clock. Next up, we got CRM. Kind of same situation. It's showing some strength, obviously, from its mid-August sell-off and or early August sell-off. Found that support and then bounced back up, and now it's trading above its 50 and the 200-day. So we're looking for it to defend this level. Had a little action, obviously, last night pre-market. You can see, but again, it needs to defend this level right now and push higher. So if it can do that, then we definitely look for another easy 5 to 10 points to the upside. Big picture. Big picture, that's what we're looking at. So if we can hold this level, we're looking for some higher highs and higher lows. MDB. MDB had a monster day yesterday. Then it just fucking dumped out, with the rest of the market. Yeah, I think it was up at one point, I think plus 11 points, something like that, 10, 11 points, and then it faded out, right? So, it's still green, closed green nonetheless, just north of 3.5 points, but it gave back a lot. It's a good sign that obviously investors are pushing this thing higher. Again, it's sitting above this 50 right now, which that was the level that it used to bounce off of back in July and the end of June. So we're looking to keep continue defending that level and push higher. So we're gonna be bullish on MDB, considering the market doesn't take another fucking clip dive today. QCOM closed up just north of a point yesterday, again defending its level on the 50-day moving average on the daily. It didn't get too much of a sell-off like the rest of the market did yesterday, so it led us to believe that there's some continued strength behind it. So we like QCOM to the upside today. We're gonna wrap it up with Netflix. closing down just shy of 4 points yesterday. Obviously, in our opinion, this thing is just fading out. We got original 280 big picture price target on Netflix. Whether it's gonna, obviously reach this trading week or not remains to be seen. We still see some dancing around. Obviously, as you can see, had a little bit of buying after hours, and we're gonna see some selling pre-market. So we think it's just gonna continue. We think we have the 280 price target, 285 will probably get tapped and bounce around a little bit. 290s are going to get tapped and bounce around a little bit, but overall we have 280. So we're gonna definitely mitigate if we have some opportunities to the downside below VWAP. So that's what we got, guys. We got five. And as we said, it's looking like another just a wild day in the markets. So that being said, respect your stops. Respect your stops. Take your singles, book your profits, and get out. Protect your capital, guys. So if you want to know how we're doing, how we're trading these stocks, building our watches, we invite you to come check out the site as always at thestreettrading.com. We'll sort you out on the 90-day course. Any questions you have, reach out to us, guys. You know what I mean? Build that focus, get that conviction right, get that confidence where it needs to be a consistently profitable trader, guys. It's patience. Have patience in yourself and believe in yourself, and you will get to where you need to be. All right, guys. Any questions, reach out to us. We're here for you. Give us a call, shoot us an email. As always, guys, be patient with price and setup, and always respect your stops. All right, guys. Have a good one, good day in the markets, and we'll check you later.